All right, y'all, so I'm doing a twist out on my hair that you guys will be able to see tomorrow morning. But you guys, I have a lot of heat damage, you guys. Yeah, I have a lot of the heat damage, but I'm trying to get my hair back to its original state of healthiness. So I'm just going to be making sure I'm using all the necessary things like the Creole Essence line, everything like that. So I went ahead and twisted up my hair, and I will be taking it down tomorrow. So guys, I am about to show you guys a new hair bonnet brand that is a #1 selling satin brand hair bonnet on Amazon, double lined, so it's going to help protect that hair, which is perfect because again, I'm trying to get my hair back healthy, so it is literally perfect timing. So I want to introduce you guys to YANIBEST. Okay, YANIBEST is a healthy hair treatment satin bonnet. Unboxing. Hey you guys, so like I said, this is the YANIBEST a satin bonnet. When I tell you guys this thing is actually super soft. I've had a lot of bonnets in my time, and I can genuinely say this is the best bonnet I've ever had. The fact that it is so soft, but I can still tighten it or loosen it to my desired fit is super nice, y'all. I love the color options that they have. You guys can get it on Amazon. The link will be in the description box. Guys, it is so affordable, less than $20 when I tell you. The kind of satin that they use is super helpful for your daily hair. They use double layers of high quality satin, which is called butter satin, and it is super nice. I love it so much, you guys. I promise y'all, out of all the satin bonnets I've ever had, this is my favorite one. Make sure you check the link in the description box so that you can get you one of these. So soft. Oh my gosh. If you want to get your hands on this bonnet, it will be linked down below. You can buy it on Amazon. It is super affordable, and the quality of it is amazing. It feels so soft on the hair. The band is super comfortable around my edges. I really love this bonnet. It is super breathable, super lightweight, and I know it's not gonna move anywhere. So if you guys want this bonnet, go ahead and check the link down below. Again, it is on Amazon from YANIBEST, #1 satin bonnet right now. So go ahead and get you one. There's so many different colors. This is the color I chose because it's a nice pretty girl color. So hey y'all, so in this clip I was showing you guys some things that I recently purchased, but I was recording in slow motion because my new camera has that effect. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what it is, and you can kind of see through it, but yeah, I apologize for that. But go ahead and enjoy the next part of this video.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are go, all the best. The cash, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the best. The cash, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I decide to take it to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing.
This is the
Stupid.
really good.
You got us right.
Where Jeannie? Oh, Jeannie can!
Yeah, I made her. I made her. All right, here we go, vlog. So we're about to get this right here. Like I said, here we go.
Dang, girl. I saw that. I saw that.
Remember, go more towards the left. Go more towards the left. Let's go more towards the left. So we're gonna go to the right. Okay, no, this
Okay.
Period.
My turn. Here, vlog.
All right, you better get something.
Okay, I ain't paying for this anyway.
Period. Cause she broke, right?
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
What?
Watch your back. Wow! Congratulations! Wow.
I don't be doing
I don't know how to do this camera work.
Just hold it.
Okay.
How do I turn it back to 4K? My other card out.
You all in my ear.
Show me after. Show me after. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. What in the world? That's crazy. Try again. Wow, NPC. That's an NPC for real, child.
Come on now. He could have knocked the other one out. Oh, the game is done.
Wow, our game is over.
Oh, for real?
I think she got a double one. She got a double one. Wait, did you do unlimited? I thought you unlimited.
So, are you winning? And about you? What about you?
I'm about to pass Chris right now. Watch him be there.
All right, Chris. Chris, I heard you were cheating.
Go.
Is it true that you're cheating? Is it true that you've been cheating?
No.
Okay, wait. How do you feel?
I'm losing it.
Aren't you beating all of them?
Yeah, but I'm still, my game is not on today.
Well, you better get to it.
All right, back to you.
Yes.
And she is learning how to bowl?
Absolutely.
How do you feel that you know that you know you're losing?
I feel pretty good. I'm still confident. I think I still have a shot. As long as I'm not last. We have 3 more tries, so.
You did 800 something?
I'm on next. Okay, punch it, bro. Let's go. Get him in the gutter. Okay, tighten your core.
Some people now.
No. Get to it, no.
Let's go. Tighten your core.
Tighten your core to punch. Tighten your core to punch.
Yes. Your core is ready.
Oh my God, I thought he hit the thing. I swear I thought he hit the thing, the screen.
I'm consistent.
I thought he was sorry. I thought his hand hit the thing. When you're outside, you're supposed to be in your house.
Baby about to go. Hey, vlog. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? This is my friend. You're here. here, you know, Memorial Day weekend, you feel me? God bless America, you feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You got Jeannie here. All right, who's next? We got live entertainment. We got live entertainment. Hey, hey. Go ahead, girl. Come to the back. Be happy. Hey, drinks on me. Let me see what you working with. Who's going? Okay, you strong. She's strong. She's strong. She's strong. She's strong. Follow us on TikTok, YouTube, and on Facebook. Hiya! What was your score? What did you get, Richard?
871.
871. Beat that. Beat that. 871. You feel me? So much pressure. Lizzie Fit. Come on. Come on. You just pushed out a baby. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, Liz! Listen. Who said Bob was on Team Moon? You got it. I got things to do. I don't got work, but